Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial, you will learn how to add PayPal as a payment option on your order form along with a credit card. PayPal is a very popular payment option, especially if you're targeting an international audience, and I believe it's super awesome that you can add it to your checkout form in ClickFunnels 2.0 without any custom code and just with a few clicks. Two things before we get started. First, if you don't have your ClickFunnels 2.0 account yet, you can find the link to a free trial in the description of this video. And if you use our link, you will also receive our ClickFunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using ClickFunnels 2.0, in the description of this video, you will find a link to a package deal that will help you save almost 50% on your subscription. And second, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. Now let's get to it. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you connected your PayPal account to your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. You can do it in the Payments.AI section. If you don't see it on the left here, just click this plus icon and then you will see the Payments.AI app here. And will be able to click on it and add it to your dashboard. Once that's done, click Payments.AI, either log into your account or if you haven't done it before, create an account for Payments.AI that's required to be able to process payments in ClickFunnels 2.0. On the right, you will see the list of the payment gateways that you can connect or already have connected to ClickFunnels 2.0. If you don't have the PayPal connected yet, click Gateways. And then you will be able to click Connect here, log into your PayPal account and connect it to ClickFunnels 2.0. After that's done, the next step is to enable the PayPal option in the workspace settings. Go to the workspace settings by clicking on the button here and then toggle this on to enable the PayPal checkout option. Don't forget to save the changes. And with that, we go directly to the funnel where you want to add an order form with both credit card and PayPal checkout options. Before you go to the funnel editor, go to the settings of the funnel and also ensure that PayPal is added as a payment option on this funnel. You will see it here. So those are 3 steps that you need to do to enable PayPal as a checkout option on your order form. First, to connect your PayPal account. Second, to enable the PayPal as a payment option in the workspace settings. And then make sure that PayPal is also added as a payment option in the settings of the funnel. After that, you can go to the funnel. If you don't have a checkout element added to your page yet, click Add Element, find Checkout, and make sure that you're selecting a new checkout element and not the checkout legacy element, because the PayPal option may not work on the legacy element. You don't need to do anything in the settings of the checkout element, and right now we can just preview the page and see how the checkout process, how the order form will look like for your customers. Your customers will be able to select between a credit card and the PayPal during their checkout. When they click this PayPal option, the PayPal button appears. Then they would need to log into their PayPal account. And after that, they will be able to click Agree and Continue to pay for the product on the checkout form. I will not do it, so my PayPal account doesn't get charged. And after that, they should be redirected to the next step on your funnel. That's how easy you can add PayPal as a payment option on your order form in ClickFunnels 2.0. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on our future videos.